This, in my opinion, is the best gutter cleaning setup, tool, whatever you want to call it, in the industry if you do not have the ability to climb a roof. Let's say what's going on, gang? Brett Patrick here. Keep them clean, gang, gutter cleaner than you. I wanted to make an updated video on this bad boy right here. So this, in my opinion, is the best gutter cleaning setup, tool, whatever you want to call it, in the industry if you do not have the ability to climb a roof. Let's say you're scared, or it's too steep, or it's just not one that's very favorable for you to climb the roof and do. So this right here is my go-to tool. So I'm gonna talk through it, and I'll show you really quickly how it can be done. I'm gonna back up so you can see me in frame. So essentially, all this is a spoon with a push through on the back. So this allows you to scoop debris towards you, and then when you hit the hanger, you just turn it over and pushes underneath the hanger, and you kind of keep going all the way down. And then I bought an 8-foot extension pole and just twist on like a broomstick end would. And you can get one longer, you can get a fiberglass pole, you can get carbon fiber pole, whatever it is that you think is best. Make sure something good and tight. And I just got one that does 8 feet. So that way, when I'm on a ladder, one direction 8 feet, the other direction 8 feet. And that allows me to clean roughly a 15 to 16 foot section per ladder move. If you've been in this industry at all for any length of time, the ladder moves are what's going to kick your butt, especially in the summer months. So you can see here I have my 22 foot little giant ladder with a ladder stabilizer sitting on the roof there, not leaning on the gutters. This isn't the lightest ladder in the world, and if you end up having to move it every 5 feet or so, by the time that gutter cleaning job is done, or you've done multiple cleanings in one day, I promise you, you're gonna be a little bit wore out. So by doing this, a lot of times I can clean a run of gutters in 1 to 2, maybe 3 moves tops. That really cuts down on time, allows me to be more efficient. And this thing actually does a really good job of getting the gutters clean, just because of how precise or concise it can be on the tip piece, right? So I'll show you really quickly how to use it, and I would highly recommend you guys go grab you one. You can buy 2-pack of just this top piece for about $20 or $25 on Amazon. I used to do the links, but it's a waste of time, honestly. So just look for these on Amazon. And then a pole like this you can get Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, wherever your local hardware store would be, something like that. And again, you can get some really long ones. The 8 foot is the sweet spot for me, just because when it gets out too far, man, it's really heavy. And if you've done multiple jobs in a day, you know, your shoulders are they're gonna be wore out. So let's put this thing to use and show you what it looks like. just like that. A 15 to 16 foot run of gutters is nice and clear. If you want to have a premium service, you can run back over that section with a water hose to get all the small particulates, but this type of leaf wasn't too bad, so got them all squared away. So if you guys are in the industry, you're thinking about getting started, consider liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. Grab you one of these gutter cleaning tools. Absolute game changer. Allows you to clean roofs that normally you wouldn't be able to walk to or just very hard to reach. As always, man, appreciate you guys for being here. And as always, baby, keep them clean.